2020 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to be doing my USB port right here. It's this guy right here. Just has the regular USB spot. I'm going to show you how to get it out and replace it. So you want to get a blue plastic interior tool. They call this like a plastic pry bar. I'll link it below. And when you get this, you want to go in from the top with this orientation of the tool. Just this is what I do. I come in here and I push it in between the USB and then the panel, and then you could just gently pop it out. It's best to just try to do it in a one shot so you don't risk bending or damaging your panel. It'll come out, and then you have to unplug this connector right here. There's like a little thumb tab or finger tab, but you could use like something small to push the tab down while you pull the connector backwards. Don't pull on the wires. If you have fat fingers like me, then you might have to use something to push the button down. But here's the USB port right here, and here's what it is called, stereo jack adapter assembly. That's what Toyota calls it. I'm going to link a Toyota parts dealer to get it. Here's the part number. At the moment, this isn't sold on Amazon. Amazon has a ton of Toyota USBs, but I'm sure within the next 6 months to a year, there's going to be tons of them on Amazon. So check for updated links below. So when you get your new one, you just take it out of the packaging, and then all you do is we're going to plug it in. It only plugs in one way, so it's kind of dummy proof. You can just look at the front to see which way it's supposed to go. But we'll just get this guy plugged in like that, and then just gently line it up and push it into place so it'll snap in place, and that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for oxido.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the Oxido website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in Guillermo Auto, and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.